Good morning, hello, it is Monday. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I have a very exciting thing to show you. We got a wardrobe, finally! I have been waiting for this for so long. My entire wardrobe, all my clothes, used to fit into, I think I have them somewhere. We now use them for other things, but my whole wardrobe used to fit in those two, like, storage things in the van. How crazy. And now we have an entire wardrobe. This is the first time in like 2 years that I've been able to hang up my dresses. Like, it's just the best thing ever. Anyway, the light in here is a bit wild, so I'm gonna move. This morning I've just finished filming the end part to the gardening video that if you saw my last video you would have seen. I'm gonna upload that one today. I've got a very dirty kitchen, so I'm gonna clean that. And I've also never been able to clean the shower properly. Like, I don't know what it is, like showers and windows. They are the two things that I cannot seem to clean for the life of me. There's always streaks or marks or something. And I found this hack on Instagram that's like the foolproof way to clean your shower. And I'm like, I'm in. And so I went and bought all the things, and so I'm gonna do that today. I also have a little design work to do today. I'm also waiting on a response from a brand, which is so exciting. Who thought little old me would be working with brands? That's so cool. So yeah, I'm just waiting a response from a brand. I'm waiting for a response from a client and put together a few proposals. It's an exciting little day. Happy Monday. I also feel like today is very much a pajama day, so I will be spending the day in my pajamas. We did so many DIY things yesterday. Rowan just built all day like crazy, which is really cool. I still can't believe he can do things like that. But as you can see, we no longer have the wooden bookshelf behind us, but we have a little thing for Cosmo to sit on up there. It's not ready yet. It still needs to be like bracketed to the wall a few more times, and obviously it's housing a plant right now, but that's going to be Cosmo's little spot where he can look out the window. So yeah, I think he's going to love that. He used to be able to look out the window all the time in the van, but in the house obviously he can't because he's a small little dog. I finally feel like the house is coming together and I'm really excited for it. Like, we finally have a wardrobe. I just think that's the coolest thing. For not having like a proper wardrobe for over 2 years has just been, oh, it's just the coolest thing to have one. I don't know, it's like I feel like buying appliances and like big things to put in your house is just the most exciting thing. I don't know, I just love it. Anyway, I'm gonna get stuck into some work and I'll talk to you later. This is Cosmo's new seating area where he can look out at the neighbours. We've just revamped this whole space, so this is like Cosmo's corner. This is what we were gonna do, having like a table at the back of the couch, but Rowan's not a fan of the design, so we're gonna completely scrap that and do it similar to that. He's a very happy boy. We might need to get a railing or something here because he's almost fallen off a couple of times. And his bed doesn't really fit. It's kind of like squished up against the window. I've just spent the first half of today cozied up in my hoodie. Yes, there's stains on it because I spill food on everything. I've just spent the majority of the morning making some editable wedding stationery templates like invites and place cards and stuff like that. It's a bit of a dreary day today, but I can't really go anywhere because there's more issues with my car and it's hopefully getting fixed on Friday. I have spent so much money on this car, I want to cry. It makes me mad.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright.
Hello, it is Tuesday. I haven't spoken to you all morning. It is currently 11:31 and I've just come back from dropping off Rowan's lunch because he forgot it this morning. I've just been doing a few things for some clients and updating my Etsy. That's pretty much all I've been doing today, just lots of computer work. And I drove my car down to Rowan's work. I was like 98% sure it was gonna break down because the mechanics are basically like, oh, just don't really drive it much until we look at it because it's probably gonna break on you. So that's fun. I'm going on a little trip up the coast on Friday, which is fun. Ron's got a bit of work to do up north. I'm just gonna make some roast potatoes for lunch. Nothing really new. Oh, and also, look how great our little house is looking. I feel like it's so open and light now that that big bookshelf is gone. And I try to be as positive as I can on here, but yesterday we just got hit with the biggest bill I've ever seen in my life. I've never had to pay rates. And let's just leave it at that. So that was the downside. Oh, if you can hear Cosmo growling in the background, as usual, it means that he just wants to be picked up. I don't really have anything else to say. My life's really not interesting at this point in time. Being completely honest. I'm not gonna go and do crazy, fun, expensive things that I just wouldn't otherwise do just for the vlog. You know what I mean? Like, I wanna keep it real and honest and like what I'm actually up to in a week. But it's just boring right now. Oh, I need to take chicken out of the freezer. We're having chicken bacon pesto pasta. That's a tongue twister. Chicken bacon pesto pasta. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'm just rambling. Bye! Just breathe, just relax, it'll be okay with you tonight. I see great song. Do you see the size of these potatoes right now? This is an average potato. I've never seen a potato that big. Just stay here and be right now.
New leather couch, and we argued about Jesus. Cause everyone's growing, and everyone's healthy.
So we've just stopped at this roadhouse, and to use their luge you had to buy something. So I got a chicken tandoori wrap, and I asked the chef, I'm like, oh, is this spicy? And he's like, oh, maybe like 1% spicy, like very little spice. And I'm like, look, I can't even handle pepper or like sweet chili sauce. Like, is it spicy? He's like, no, not spicy at all. So, I mean, I'm gonna give it a go. Looks all right. It's got a little bit of spice. Oh, that's so frustrating. He's like, no, almost no spice, 1%. I should have listened to my gut and just got like a ham and cheese sandwich or something. Ah, that's so annoying. I hate that I can't handle spice. I'm so annoyed at myself.